Hey everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new here, thanks for tuning in. This is a box. This is an unboxing. The label's actually on the side. It's a big box. It is from Goodwill Bluebox, and it's shoes. So I'm just going to cut right into it and see what I got. Okay. I'll be honest, I don't remember how much it cost. Ooh. What did I get? Did I order sneakers? I have this pair. All right. Oh my God, look how cute. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm going to take everything out and let's go over what they sent. Okay, there was no invoice in the box, so I went to my email, and it is a shoe box with 5 pairs of shoes. Little did I know that I would only get sneakers, and it cost $29.99 and $7 to ship. So here they are. Let's go over them. I'll start off with this pair. Oh, that's my petrified wood rock. Definitely needs to be cleaned up. Otherwise, they're not too bad. I mean, it just needs a really good clean. These are Vans. Like I said, I have the same exact pair. Let's see what size they are. Woman's 8.5, right there. Woman's 8.5. That's what it looks like on the inside. You know what? They look pretty good. I don't see any rips on the leather over here. Yeah, they need to be scrubbed up. Not bad at all. Let's open this one up. Yeah, I did something different. I figured, oh, let's buy some shoes. Very nice. Okay, so we have this pair. Woman's 8.5. Vans. This next pair is huge. I'm talking huge. They're by Adidas. Red with the Velcro. The sole needs to be cleaned up. There's the bottoms. They look pretty good. They look like they're hardly worn. Let's look at the back. Yeah. Velcro. Oh, you do have some laces in here too. Oh my goodness, they're a size 14. Male. Size 14. Adidas sneakers. I mean, pretty nice. Okay. So we have this pair. I'm talking large, very large pair. The next pair, let me get this out of the way. Check this out. What a wild print. Newton. Have you heard of Newtons? Gonna have to look these up. I don't know of this brand. There's the bottoms. The wear is not too bad. I do see a slight wear right there. Let's look at the front. Not bad. They have this, I guess they put the lock laces in. I don't know if it came with them. Sometimes people change their laces. It's called Newton Kona. Newton Kona. They look good. And let's see what size these are. Men's 10, a woman's 11 and a half. There's the inside. Look at that. These are in good condition. They just need to be cleaned up. So we have this pair, Newton Kona. The next pair is a nice canvas sneaker, SeaVees. SeaVees? That's what it says, SeaVees. They just need to be cleaned up too. I don't see any, yeah, they just need to be cleaned. The soles, they look pretty large. Okay, see, the grid on the bottom is not worn down. Let's see what size this is. Monterey sneaker standard, men's size 13 canvas. They're not bad at all, looking at them. So yeah, we have this pair, size 13, SeaVees. The last pair is this children's Nike sneaker. They just need to be scrubbed up. The soles look great. I mean, the bottoms. Let me show you the back of it. The sides. The front. And let's see what size they are. Oh, let's look at here, because this is where you would find the most damage. Sometimes they get ripped. No, they look great. So the size on this is 3, youth, and there's the number. They look great. So we have this pair for children. I don't know what style this is, if there's a name for it, but I'll look it up. And yeah, I think this will wrap up this video of this Goodwill Bluebox 5-pair shoebox. I didn't expect to get only sneakers. I didn't expect to get men's shoes. I liked each and every one, to be honest. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. And if you ever purchased a shoebox. Now, if there's anything you would like to purchase, all you need to do is email me at dragonflybeez@gmail.com. Shipping for sneakers and shoes will go by where you're located and the weight of the item. So it's calculated shipping using PirateShip. Now, I will most likely package these in padded envelopes if possible. If not, then I'll have to box them, but maybe even use a box in a bag. Whatever is the least cost to you for shipping is what I will use. Now, don't forget, subscribe. It's free to subscribe. And ring that bell. Choose all notifications. That way you'll be alerted when I post new content. And thanks for spending this time with me on this unboxing of this Goodwill Bluebox 5-pair shoebox. I'll see you soon. Bye.